Welcome back to my channel where I provide you with information on the latest and greatest in nutrition and wellness. Today I want to talk to you about 5 superfood snacks perfect for people with rheumatoid arthritis. These snacks, not only that they taste great, but they also have anti-inflammatory properties that can help you alleviate symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis. So let's dive in.
Rheumatologist OnCall.com.
First, we have a blueberry and almond butter smoothie, which is delicious and packed with nutrients. Blueberries are high in antioxidants and fiber, while almond butter is a good source of healthy fats and protein. To make this smoothie, you need to blend 1 cup of frozen blueberries, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, 1 cup of almond milk, and 1 cup of fresh frozen banana. Add all of this into the blender until smooth. You may now top this with your favorite toppings, such as granola or a sliced fruit like berries, or grate a little bit of dark chocolate. Next on our list is Kale Chips, which is a healthy alternative to potato chips. Kale is a superfood rich in vitamin A, K, and C, as well as calcium and iron. To make kale chips, wash and dry kale leaves, drizzle them with a little bit of olive oil, and seasoning them with your choice of salt, garlic powder, or some turmeric powder. Now put them in the oven at 375 Fahrenheit and bake them until they are crispy. Once they are done, they are a crunchy and satisfying snack that is very good for you. Let's continue. Roasted chickpeas. The third superfood snack is roasted chickpeas. Chickpeas are a good protein, fiber, and folate source, essential for healthy diet. To make roasted chickpeas, you can rinse and drain a can of chickpeas, pat them until they are dry, toss them with a little bit of olive oil, and season them, and then you can bake them in the oven until they are crispy. The seasoning can be a combination of salt, pepper, garlic powder, or onion powder, and even some turmeric powder. Roasted chickpeas are making a satisfying and crunchy snack that is also very good for you. If you are enjoying this video so far, please hit the like button and leave me a comment below telling me which snack you are most excited to try. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for more healthy living tips and recipes. Next, we have chocolate chia pudding. This is a dessert that is very healthy and indulgent at the same time. Chia seeds are a superfood that is high in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, while cocoa powder contains a lot of antioxidants and magnesium. To make this pudding, mix chia seeds, almond milk, cocoa powder, and a sweetener of your choice in a jar and let them sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, you will have a creamy and delicious pudding that's perfect for breakfast or as a midday snack. Last but not least, we will have the sweet potato toast, which is a versatile snack that is both nutrition and delicious. Sweet potatoes are a superfood that is high in vitamin A, fiber, and potassium, which are essential for your healthy diet. To make sweet potatoes toast, you can slice the sweet potato into thin rounds, toast them in the toaster, or bake them in the oven until they are golden. Now, incorporating these 5 superfood snacks into your diet can provide you with numerous benefits. Not only that they are delicious, but they also have anti-inflammatory properties that can help you reduce the symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis. And if you're interested in taking your health to the next level, check out my 5 days free challenge for rheumatoid arthritis patients. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.
Rheumatologist OnCall.com.